Hi, very good morning. Welcome to the Tech Byte series. In today's session, we're going to speak about a very interesting topic called humanoid. So, we all know creating a human like or humanoid robot is difficult because it is quite a complex process. But people continue to develop a lot of humanoid robots which are used in numerous applications, maybe for scientific research, entertainment, hospitals, etc. So some of the examples what you can look at, the first humanoid robot which came in was called Herbert. It was built by Ron in 1927, could lift the handset to receive a telephone call and control simple processes by operating switches according to signal it received. Even though it could not speak, it was first created, later learned to say two simple sentences. So that was the first humanoid robot. There was a robot called a social humanoid robot which came in next called Pepper. It's the world's first social humanoid robot that can recognize faces and understand basic human emotions. Then you had Sophia, who was the first robot to receive citizenship in a country, Saudi Arabia, in 2017, which was developed by a Hong Kong company, Hanson Robotics, in 2016. Then you had QHOW, a lifelike image anchor, a main news anchor. Okay, it was the first news anchor AI robot. It was a Chinese search engine Sogo. It uses machine learning to simulate the voice, facial movement, and gestures of a real-time broadcasters. And then you had Fedor and THR, which were among the first avatars introduced in 2017 by Russia and Japan. The avatar is able to replicate the movements of a remote operator and perform some action autonomously. The sixth was a delivery humanoid robot, a two-legged robot called Digit from Agility Robotics in Feb 2019. It's almost with the size and shape of a small adult human, allow it to balance on one foot. The seventh was the first virtual artificial human, which is called Neon, a humanoid artificial avatar designed by Samsung Star Labs. It looks like a human and can respond to questions. It's basically a next generation AI video chatbot with a human face and personality, but not exactly an AI assistant. The eighth one was the first Robonaut, is a humanoid robot for the astronauts. It was the first generation Robonaut, was designed by Robot System Technology branch at NASA. The core idea was to have a humanoid machine work alongside astronauts. The ninth humanoid was a nurse robot. So human-like robots are already being used as a healthcare workers in elderly homes in countries like Japan. There are many robotic nurses deployed in some hospital, but humanoid robotic nurses are few. In 2018, 3 robot nurses were used to help medical staff in hospital in Bangkok. And the last is the most advanced humanoid robot. It's called Asimo. It's the most advanced humanoid robot in the world to date. Developed by Honda Motor Company. Asimo stands for Advanced Step in Innovative Mobility. It's the first humanoid robot which can walk independently and climb stairs, can also understand pre-programmed gestures. So it's going to be a very interesting world for us to really watch for and see what is going to be the next set of robots which comes in the next 5 years time frame. Thanks for watching.